again, everybody, we're back with another video. Sorry it's been so long. And we got professional lights.
No, we didn't.
Not really, no.
We got a lamp and another lamp.
We got this, and we got this. So we just decided that it would be a funny idea for me to do Sable's makeup, since she doesn't ever wear makeup because she doesn't need makeup because she's so beautiful without makeup. We thought, hey, why don't we let Drew do Sable's makeup? You said no hints?
No hints. I don't give you any hints. You can use whatever's in the bag. Yeah.
This whole bag.
You can use whatever's in there.
Alright, your face is my canvas. So I know that we gotta start off with foundation. Because foundation, you build a house, you start with foundation. So we're gonna start with foundation. So I don't know what that is. She looks nervous.
I'm very nervous. Careful with these are both broken. That's glue.
Why do you have glue in your makeup bag?
Eyelash glue.
I think that we're gonna start off with this liquid mousse airbrush finish. Wait, no, it says finish, so that means at the end. So super blendable makeup. Okay, so we're starting off with this. Now after foundation, you usually go with some concealer. We're gonna go with this.
That's not concealer. It's not concealer.
Give me your lip.
That's not concealer. I'm sorry.
I knew it wasn't concealer. Okay. Get the brush, going in. Some of this. This is the concealer.
It smells really good.
Alright, now we're gonna get into my canvas. This is my canvas that I use. And now we're gonna use a little bit of black.
I'm eating the lipstick.
A little bit of eyeshadow. Ooh, I fucked up. It's like we're stuck with that. Okay.
Or you wipe it off.
Nope, no idea.
Hey, what do you tell the girl that has two black eyes? Nothing, you already told her twice. Alabama joke, everybody. Alright, close your eyes.
Oh!
I got you. Just close your eyes. I'll check. Actually, you need to open them and look up.
Don't.
Get closer. Do you
Scared.
trust me?
I do.
She shouldn't trust me. perfect.
Let me just.
Now, where is the mascara?
You just did it.
Okay, where is eyeliner?
Right there.
Alright, Sable. What do you think? So far, look at the mirror, look at the camera.
Kicking butt and taking
Names. Alright, now we got one last little touch up to do. Here, now do it.
I look like a 7-year-old just did my makeup.
Shut up, I'm not done. Okay.
What are you doing? Why?
Alright, no wait, now this is lips.
Yeah, you just put that on me.
I think I earned a 7. I think I earned a 7, maybe a 8. You like the little wing tips I did?
I look like a 75-year-old man.
Wait, let me tell you something, okay?
makeup is hard.
Why don't I wash this off and then show you how I do my makeup?
By the way, this is our 2nd month anniversary. Probably gonna break up today, so awesome. Alright, after cleaning up what my boyfriend did, let's start off with some primer, I guess. That's what it is. Yeah, we're putting that on my face with this foundation. Ha! I was right. And you did start with that. I'm just gonna put a lot more than I expected on your face, on my face, than that. Alright, we're gonna pick a color out of that, and we're gonna put some of that on my eyes. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna fix the lighting because it was shit in the first place, because Drew doesn't know how the fuck to light his goddamn videos. Oh, I forgot something over here. Okay, alright, got it. Now, we're just gonna keep on putting that on my face, make a frowny face for some reason. I didn't like whatever I saw there. Alright, now we're gonna go with this other thing. I don't know, no, but let me stretch first, and then I gotta concentrate real hard, so I'm using my phone as a mirror. And then we're gonna use this other thing that's green. Oh, I get it now. It's black mirror. Aha, like a cell phone, like the show. Ha, get it? I'm clever. They're clever. Alright. Anyway, so we're just gonna keep on doing that, and then I'm gonna put this on my eye, and it seems kind of painful. Oh shit, Drew's here. Great, now he's in the background. Alright, let me speed this up because I want to get this over with and get my face right looking, because he fucked it up so bad and he's annoying me in the background talking about some bullshit that I don't really care about. But hey, at least I look cute as fuck, right? You guys are about to see the finished product, right? So here we go. We're gonna finish off with that color of the thing, and then there we go. All right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of ours. If you liked it, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Get notified every time I upload, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought. And Sable just died. Bye. Yes.
Bye.